folks, we're out here on the lake today with Jiffi Pro Pat Calmerton. Pat, we got a brand new Jiffi ice auger here. Let's go through the starting procedures as this right out of the box. Can you tell me how to start this brand new auger?
What we're going to do is we just took it out of the box, we put the auger on the head with the quick connect. That's ready to go. Now we're going to go to the gas station. We're going to pick up a brand new 1 gallon thing of gas here, which you want to pick up your gas right at the beginning of the ice season. The reason being is it's more of a winter blend. There's more butane in it, more it burns faster, everything like that, and it starts easier. It's better for these kinds of drills. So what we're going to do is, right here Jiffi comes out with a oil mixture. You go into any Jiffi catalog or anything else, you can get the oil mixture. It's very easy. They already have it calculated out for you. You put 1 bottle of the Jiffi oil and with 1 gallon of gas. You're going to start with the red button up here. The I is on, the O is off. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to switch it to on. And then the next 3 parts are the most crucial is you have the primer button down here. And with the primer button, you want to come right on this side and you want to push it. And there's a hose that runs right along the top of it. When I push that, I'm going to keep pushing it until there's no bubbles. See, there's no bubbles in that hose right now. That right there is key to starting this unit. Then up top you have your choke lever. And your choke lever, when it is completely full choke, there's 3 lines. One of them is kind of crooked or diagonal on there, and the other 3 are straight. The diagonal one is full choke. When you start it, you want that on full choke until it warms up a little bit. Halfway through, after a couple minutes that it's warm, you want to go to half choke, and then once you drill a hole or 2, then you want to go to no choke. But you're going to want to go to full choke for starting it. You're going to want to turn it around. Your cable right here is your throttle cable. You're going to want to press that or hold that all the way down. Make sure you have a good grasp on this auger so when it does fire, that you have this auger in hand. Now, when you go to start it, you're going to want to do short, choppy pulling, almost like a chainsaw or something with a small recoil, because this recoil box is not very big. If you have long arms, you're going to extend that recoil. So you're going to want to do a short, choppy. I'll show you. Short, choppy, follow those procedures, it should start for you every time.
Alright folks, we've got a brand new 2500 series auger. Pat, let's go through the starting procedures on this unit.
Okay, well, pretty much all the units are the same, but we're going to go over them again. You have a I and an O on the power switch. You're going to want to go to the I, turn it on. Then you have on the bottom side of it is your primer button again. And your primer button with this hose on top of it, you see the bubbles in there right now? What you want to do is you want to prime it until, I came from this way, it's a lot easier, but I'm going to do it just to show you. I'm going to prime it until there are no bubbles. See, there's no bubbles in that hose right now. What we're going to do is we're going to flip that to full choke, and we're going to turn it around. Again, you're going to have to depress or hold that throttle cable all the way in short, choppy starting motion on this recoil right here. In every hole, what we're going to do is we're going to shut it off, walk to the next hole, repeat the process. You're going to turn it up to the I or the on. Then what you're going to do is you're going to prime it right here until you see no bubbles. We're going to full choke it, turn it around, hold that throttle cable all the way down, and a short choppy. Now the unit is already warm, so you do not need it to have it at full choke anymore. You can come straight down and then drill